What's up, y'all, and welcome to Big Time Cooking with NG, where I share my favorite recipes with you so you in turn can share with your family and friends. Today we're going to make banana fritters. So let's stop chatting and let's get to cooking. Virgin Island fritters is one of the top, #1 family snacks of the VI. We're going to do these fritters in a different way. Well, not really. We're doing a basic recipe, but we're going to add a little something to kick it up a notch. We're going to add a vanilla rum dipping sauce, which is going to make these fritters come even more tastier than before. So think about it, man. We're going to have the bananas going. We're going to peel the bananas. We're going to add the sugar. We got some vanilla, a teaspoon. We got a teaspoon and a half of cinnamon. We got a little bit of salt to wake everything up. We got some flour to bind everything. Notice what? There is no milk in this recipe. Do not add milk to your fritters. The milk is going to mask your bananas. And the most important thing of bananas is it is called banana fritters. So don't mess up your banana fritters by adding milk. Same thing. Notice we're not adding baking powder to our fritters either. All the baking powder do is going to make it puff up, and it's going to take away the flavor of what? Your bananas. So take it from me. Simple ingredients. It's a quick mix. It's a snack that you can make when you feel like it. You're home, you're relaxing, and you're like, I feel like a snack. I feel, island people say they're feeling peckish. I'm feeling a little peckish. What could I eat? Banana fritters. Boom, 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 run to the kitchen. Everything is there. You ain't gotta run to the store unless you gotta run and pick up the bananas. You pick up your bananas, pour your bananas in, the flour, sugar, vanilla, cinnamon, a little bit of salt. Fry them up. You got banana fritters, and then you got your snack right there. You get them to your kids, everybody's happy, and that's how we do it in the VI. First, let's get our bananas up.
Peel each banana and place it into a mixing bowl. I'm using 6 bananas for this recipe, but you can easily divide or multiply the ingredients to suit your needs. Make sure you're using a bowl big enough to mix your ingredients.
Grab a fork. Let's get them a mash.
Using a fork or potato masher, mash your bananas into a puree consistency, but don't overmash. You want to have small bits of bananas in your fritters. This will add texture and added flavor. Once you have the bananas mashed, add 1.5 teaspoons cinnamon, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 cup sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and give it a mix. Then add half of the flour and fold to create your batter. Once your flour is incorporated, add the remaining flour and continue to fold until you have a nice creamy batter. Remember, not to overmix.
I'm gonna let it rest for 10 minutes so that way the flour has time to relax.
After 10 minutes of resting, add vegetable oil to just cover the bottom of a frying pan and spoon dollops of batter into the hot oil and fry your fritters for 3 to 5 minutes. Once the edges of the fritters begin to brown, it's time to give them a flip. You can use tongs to flip your fritters. I use 2 forks. Yeah, I know it's a Virgin Islands thing. After flipping your fritters, cook for an additional 3 minutes and place in a plate lined with paper towel to soak up any excess oil. And there you have it, your Virgin Islands banana fritters.
Now, again, we could kick this up a notch. So we could make a nice sauce to go with this. So it's simple.
To make the rum dipping sauce, add 2 egg yolks in a bowl with a half cup of sugar and whisk until the eggs and sugar become loose and creamy. This is called the ribbon stage. I didn't show in the video, but bring to a simmer in a saucepan 3/4 cups half and half and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Add about 2 tablespoons of the hot half and half to the egg and sugar mixture to bring the eggs up to temperature. This is called tempering the eggs. Give it a whisk to combine and then add some more liquid to ensure everything is incorporated and pour the egg mixture back into your saucepan. Place your mixture on the stove and cook on low-medium heat for 3 to 5 minutes until the mixture thickens and can coat the back of a spoon. Turn off the heat and add 2 tablespoons of rum. I use Crucian dark aged rum, but you can use whatever you have, and pour all that deliciousness into a serving dish. Now it's time to plate up your fritters. I like to stack them in a bookshelf style. This gives the fritters a nice looking presentation and everyone can just grab and go.
And then the rum sauce. The banana fritters with a vanilla rum sauce. Take a fritter, dip it in the sauce. That's what's up right there. Big time cooking. Banana fritters. The sauce. Oh man. Oh man. That's awesome. Let's get another bite in there. Dip that sauce in there. See you till the next time. Big time cooking with NG.